How to add frame to any image in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add frames to any image in your Canva design. So there are a number of methods using which you can add frames into your Canva image. So as here you can see that I have opened a presentation design in my Canva application, and now the first thing that I'm gonna do is add an stock image into this particular design. So to do that, simply click onto the Elements tab and choose any image. So for example, let's say this image right here. So this is the photo that we have added, and now we will attempt to add frames into this particular image. So moving on to the first method is that you simply click onto this photo, and then you can see this particular toolbar appearing at the top. Now in this toolbar, you need to click onto this stroke style. So simply click onto this stroke style and choose any type of border that you want. So for example, I want a straight frame or a straight border, then I'm going to click onto this option. And in order to make some visible changes, you can increase or decrease this stroke weight, using which you can make the frame wider or smaller. So as here you can see, that if I move it to, let's say, 25, you can see that this is the frame that will appear over this particular image. If you want to change the color of the frame, simply click over to it, and from here you can see this stroke color. So simply click onto the stroke color and choose any color that you want. So for example, let's say white or orange as well, or any of the color that you want. So this is the first method using which you can add frames into any image. So let me quickly revert all the changes, and then we will proceed towards the next step. So here we are with our original image, and let me show you how you can add more frames to this. So the next method is that you go to this Elements tab, and from here you can simply choose for a frame. So simply type in frame and hit the enter button. And from here under the graphics you can see a lot of frames that you can use, or you may also find frames under the photos as well. So you can use any of these as you want. So for example, let me use this frame right here. So let me click onto this, and here you can see that this frame has been successfully added into my Canva design. Now I can align it according to my photograph, and using these sliders I can change the dimension of the frame as well. So as here you can see that I have successfully changed the dimension of this particular frame. Also make sure that sometimes the dimensions are fixed, like in this case, in which you need to change the dimension of the photograph, or let's say the aspect ratio, so that they fit perfectly into the frame. So these are all the different methods using which you can add a frame into any image in Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.